It's Chriso. How you doing? I said to you before, this is only the beginning. Subscribe and you'll learn heaps, people. You'll learn heaps. Right, I'm going up this wall now. Then I come on to this wall. I've got to do the architrave first, and then I'll put my timber through and build up off my timber. You never put in a small piece over a bath. You know, that's about 130 mil, but you never put in that small piece first. You always build up off it, off a piece of timber, and then you put it in the next day when there's no weight on it. This isn't too bad, but some of the baths, they've got a bit of a rolled edge and all sorts, and your wedges and everything slips, and no good when you got weight. So you must build up off a piece of timber. So we'll throwing these in now. I'll come back to you when I'm doing the architrave and putting in that timber along there. We'll get this done first. It's a 6x6 tile, beautiful tile. It's the, well, to me it's a sandstone look. It all looks like sandstone. The plumber came and fitted the toilet, so they've got their second toilet back. You see how the grout that I chose, it's called Misty Grey, and it just goes with this tile absolutely beautiful. And it's a nice back to the wall toilet. It's all the modern go these days. Forget the pipe and all that comes out to the old toilets. Nah, it's all back to the wall. Beautiful. Carry on, Chriso. I had to do a few things this morning, and I didn't get here till 10 o'clock, so it's the day is flying. It's racing by. Still, you get that. But I do like to be uninterrupted, really, and you know, hit the work site at 8 o'clock in the morning and turn on my radio, chill out, tile away. Yep, I've got my clips in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll just show you my wall. It's nice and plumb. nice and straight. I like it. Like I said before, I always try to give the people, I try anyway, give the people what I would have myself. The ones that have been watching my channel for a while, I hope you're learning heaps. If there's anything you'd like to ask me about, just send me a message. You know, that's beautiful. You can't, you know, it was hard yakka in the old days before clips. It was a lot harder. Someone's at the door. Little zapper. Where can I put that? That's handy. Up here. Another one. Oh, my phone's going off. More bathrooms. I don't answer my phone. People have to text me. I haven't got time to be on the phone yakking to people. It's a 12mm notch trowel. Look at that. I haven't put my clips in. I'm using a 12mm notch trowel.